Pasuyo ng mga serving spoon.
Wow. Can you finish the more, Malcolm?
Let's go.
Smile. Thank you, thank you. Ang yummy. Do it again. Let's see how do
I'm so fast learner.
for your hand skills. Ano pa? Ano kinakain nyo?
Huh? Fish.
Fish lang. Yung bawal ba yung fish?
Chili.
Chili guys. Hindi naman sila sa chili.
Yan. Ito. Ang fish. Fish na sarap.
Tilapia.
Hirap ka.
Ano to? Baboy?
Hindi.
Salmon.
Salmon. Bawal.
Bawal ka dyan.
Or bawal sa akin yan.
Pwede doon ba ka?
After. Tara. Are you satisfied with your hand?
It's good.
It's good. Are you happy? Eh, never mind. I'm being snapped. Are you happy, young man?
Yes.
You look so high.
Have you seen, what's it called?